Good morning once again to every one of you. Every day when we wake up, what is that one thought which comes to our mind? आज कुछ नया होना चाहिए, कुछ नया करते हैं. That is what mind is ready for. Yes or no? Or should I say yes or yes? Let's do a yes or yes wala thing. Affirmation. कुछ नया करना है, कुछ something different. Till date, we were waiting for Sundays to come in so that we can do something new. And nowadays, every day has become a Sunday. Yes or yes? Think why during our school days we were so excited to go to the school क्योंकि वहां पे मस्ती करने के लिए मिल रही थी. वहां पे it was fun, ready to meet friends, and every day we used to laugh a lot. We used to make fun in the class. And that is why we were really enthused to go to the school. Do you remember your school days? And when you will remember your school days, you will just smile. Yaar, kya din the? You know, while the 10th standard was over and we were ready to go to the college, कभी ऐसा लग रहा था यार ये नहीं होना चाहिए. Why? Because school was fun for most of us. किसी के लिए maybe not, but overall it was fun. बहुत सारा मारा मारी मस्ती. That was the school life. Now think about this. When you and I, when our parents took us to the kindergarten, हम लोग कितना रोए थे, कितना चिल्लाए थे, नहीं जाना है, मम्मी को छोड़ के नहीं जाना है, and धमाल, it was like quack 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 going on because it was difficult. Initial stage, it was difficult for us to leave our mother's hand because we were comfortable over there. We were comfortable over there. And slowly and steadily, because it was a comfort, it was, compulsory going there. We got used to the school life. And slowly and steadily, we were able to find good friends. And then, when we actually came to the secondary school, we understood there is something called as masti. Yes, masti, which we can do in the school. And then this higher secondary, that is the 8th, 9th, and 10th, when we got bindas, where we did not take so much of pressure to do that masti. Do you remember this? Right? Why was this so? Why we became more and more confident of doing the masti, whether it was our drawing teacher or some other teacher who was little weak, but we used to make fun of them. याद आया कुछ? Your school days? I just cannot forget the school days because that was really fun part. That was really fun part because the best part was, you know, that excitement of going to the school was there. And then the college, a different lifestyle altogether. We had to adapt to that different lifestyle, completely different because most of us say were studying in the boys, only boys uh, school, and then the girls came into picture. College may mix education. Now see the mentality of a human being. तभी excitement was one particular girl or the lady who is in the college. उसके बाद में that also period went away, and then came our job, the initial excitement of making money. So that was also fine, good enough. Naya paisa, that smell of the money. And then what happened to most of the human being? That excitement level which was right at the height, soda water ki mafik got fizzled out. ये महसूस आप लोग ने किया है? Now think about this. If you go behind the past and join the dots, आपको ये सब कुछ याद आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है? That masti, that dhamal, that excitement. Now, why do we not have this type of excitement in the current situation? कभी सोचा है अभी कि why do we not have this? What has changed? What has changed in ourselves, which is not allowing us to be that much excited? See, please understand this. In our school, there were no mobiles. In our school, there was no hi-fi things. There was no internet, in fact. But the excitement was there. That fun was there. That masti was there. But what has changed? Has the life become more and more pressure one? Then why is this so? Why do we change as a human being? Why can't we remain excited, fun going? Is it not that our elders were telling us all the time, and you must be listening right now also, serious ban jao, abhi tum bade ho gaye hain. My God, because we have grown up, so we need to become serious. And believe me, we have all taken this one line, serious ban jao, abhi tum bade ho gaye, very, very seriously. And we slowly and steadily have forgotten to make fun. We slowly and steadily forgot that we are human beings who really enjoyed making fun, enjoy being enthused of doing something new. The school was not a place to just learn, but the school was a place where we could really blast ourselves. What has changed? Can you think of something? Can you think what has changed? Because as a human mind, as a human body, nothing practically had changed, but serious ban jao, abhi tum bade ho gaye. This one line has changed most of the things what we normally do. Our office is like supposed to be like the school where we can just go there, enjoy, have fun, at the same time make money. In school, there was a progress card. In our office also, there is a progress card where everyone tries to beat each other so that the progress card becomes more and more better. But things have become competitive. Things have become ugly. That friendship wala thing has almost gone away. Do you not feel this? Do you not feel that pressure of not enjoying the moments, not enjoying the day, not enjoying the years we are working? Why do we change ourselves? Why do we not be a normal human being where masti, mazak of not growing at all? You know, खाली एक दिन का जो पिकनिक वाला दिन रहता है वो बहुत ही मस्ती वाला दिन रहता है, यार बहुत मजा आ गया, बहुत मजा आ गया. So is only one day of in the whole year so important for us, or we can make our life little different than everybody else? Why can't we have fun way of living life? Think about this. मजा आएगा कि नहीं आएगा? When if we get to live a life, I will not say if we get, I will say if we are living the life of fun, of joy, of enjoyment, of just getting up early morning and सुबह से ही एक्साइटमेंट चालू हो गया कि आज स्कूल में जाके ये करूंगा वो करूंगा. तो if that is what we can do, why not start our daily routine with a small excitement कि चलो यार आज मस्ती करने वाले हैं. Tickle the fun part of the brain. थोड़ा मस्ती करो, थोड़ा मजाक करो. सामने वाला क्या सोचता है उसके बारे में मत सोचो. See, everybody became so serious when we were growing up that we forgot there is something called as मस्ती. इसके लिए हमको स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियन के सामने जाने के लिए अभी अच्छा लगता है. भाई उधर जाके बहुत हंसी मजाक होता है. एंड यू नो व्हाट, दैट स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियन, व्हाट ही जस्ट नॉर्मल बात करता है वो बंदा, नॉर्मल बात, और इतना सिंपल सादा बात करने के टाइम पे भी हमको हंसी आती है. अरे क्या जोक मारा है. तो बिलीव मी, अगर सामने वाला नॉर्मल बात करके भी आपको हंसी आती है, जो डे टू डे इंसिडेंट है उसके बारे में बात करते यू फील यू कैन लाफ. तो जस्ट इमेजिन यू टू कैन नॉर्मल बात करके भी यू कैन लाफ. बट हम लोग तो ऐसा मूवी बना के बैठते हैं, हाउ कैन वी लाफ वाला कार्यक्रम. इज दिस नॉट व्हाट most of you have gone through sometime or the other, or you are going through the life in this particular fashion? Why cannot be normal? Why cannot be a fun loving masti wala? But life, बड़े हो गए हैं, सीरियस बन जाओ. Think today, do you want to become serious or do you want to become फन लविंग, एंजॉय करने वाला, मस्ती करने वाला, सामने वाले को थोड़ा टिकल करने वाला, रादर देन बहुत प्रेशर है लाइफ में। आपको मैं क्या बताऊं यार, ऑफिस में इतना कंटाला आता है यार, मन ही नहीं करता है जाने के लिए। यू नो व्हाट, whenever I go, my colleagues make fun of me, मन ही नहीं करता है जाने के लिए। यू नो, ऐसी शक्ल मरी हुई बनाते हैं हम लोग, जैसे किसी ने शूट कर लिया है हम। यार ऐसा नहीं होता है। वी कैन स्टार्ट चेंजिंग अवर सेल्फ, मेकिंग फन ऑफ अवर सेल्फ इटसेल्फ। अभी देखिए मेरा हेयर स्टाइल देखिए यार, दिस हैज नाउ बिकम माय पैटर्न। एंड आप मानोगे नहीं, इन द स्कूल आई वाज, माय पेट नेम वाज टकलू, seriously. Why? Because I used to go to the Sea Cadet Corps, something similar to NCC, but related to the Navy. And जब भी अमिताभ बच्चन का हेयर स्टाइल होता हो, यू नो, दैट बिग हेयर स्टाइल, यहाँ पे बाल, कान पे वाले बाल, दैट अमिताभ बच्चन हेयर स्टाइल वाज गोइंग ऑन, एंड आई वाज द वन हु वाज हैविंग द क्रू कट। इधर टोपी रखो और जितने बाल है उतने साइड में से निकाल दो, बिकॉज इन द आर्म फोर्सेस ये बड़े वाले बाल नॉट अलाउड। एंड एकदम छोटे बाल थे पहले, पहले भी मेरे बहुत छोटे बाल, तो सब लोग मेरे को मस्ती मस्ती में टकलू बोलना शुरू कर दिया। नाउ इट हैज नाउ बिकम अ हेयर स्टाइल। सो दिस टकलू थिंग which was going on, even today when my old school friends, when we meet, they will always call me Taklu, and I have no regrets. I have no regrets on this. Why? Because now it has become my passion statement. So please understand, कभी कोई मोटा बोलेगा आप लोग को, कभी कोई टकलू बोलेगा, कभी कोई नाटा बोलेगा, anything which was there was fun way of living life. We were excited to go and have fun. जब इस स्कूल के वेकेशन होते थे तो इट वाज लाइक, यू नो, स्टार्टिंग में 2-4 दिन इट वाज गुड इनफ, बट लाइक देन इट वाज लाइक डेस्परेशन, यार स्कूल चालू होना चाहिए। और आज आजकल के बच्चे लोग को तो बेचारे लड़की तो बैंड बजी हुई है, लास्ट 1 ईयर कंप्लीट लॉकडाउन लॉकडाउन लॉकडाउन, सो दैट एक्साइटमेंट हैज गॉन। उनको पता ही नहीं है, 1 साल हो गया हम लोग को जो 30 डेज का समर वेकेशन होता था, फॉर देम इट हैज बिकम 365 days summer vacation. Think about them. Think about yourself. Can we do something to make this small change in our life? To bring back that excitement, to bring back that joy of doing something. And when you will really think about this, okay, you will make some small changes, and that is what human life, human race always is looking for. Change, excitement. So when you do something new, you were really excited. When we were young, we were really excited of fun way of living life. Don't become serious, because life is not seriousness. Life is worth exploring, having fun. पता ही नहीं है नंबर ऊपर जाने का कभी लगने वाला है, पता ही नहीं है कोविड कभी आने वाला है। तो यार, live life at the full length instead of, you know, यार शक्ल ऐसे मरे हुए, आर यू गेटिंग मी? सो थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग टुडे. इट्स अ संडे मॉर्निंग. प्रैक्टिकली आप लोग को, सब लोग को छुट्टी होगी होपफुली. सो जूने पुराने दिन याद करो. कॉल योर फ्रेंड, talk about the school, talk about college masti, and have fun in life, yaar. Don't become so serious. Okay, morning routine को चालू रखो, उसमें कोई changes मत लाओ. But today should be a fun day, laughing day, and bring back your excitement. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow morning, 6 o'clock. Have fun, bring back that excitement. Thank you, Kunal, Dr. Vardhan, Varun, to be over here on a Sunday morning. Love you for that. See you tomorrow morning, 6 o'clock. Bye bye. Take care of yourself.